In this video, we'll explore the benefits of portable electric space heaters, a cost-effective way to heat individual rooms. We'll cover different types, key safety features, and tips for optimal use. Plus, we'll compare prices and highlight the pros and cons to help you find the best option for your needs. The Drio Space Heater offers fast, efficient warmth with its advanced 1500 WPTC system, delivering heat up to 200% farther than standard heaters. Designed for safety, it includes a tilt sensor, overheat protection, and VO flame retardant materials. With a precise thermostat ranging from 41-95, quiet 30 for dB operation, and convenient features like a remote timer and child lock, this heater combines comfort and safety for any room in your home. The Gaiatop ceramic space heater offers enhanced safety with overheating protection and automatic shut-off if tipped over. Its unique design includes a removable wooden stand for stability, and it heats up quickly into seconds while operating quietly under 35 dB. With 3 heat modes 1000W, 600W, and fan only, it's energy efficient, providing customizable warmth for small spaces. The Lasco ceramic tower heater provides efficient warmth with 2 quiet heat settings and an adjustable thermostat to maintain your desired temperature. It features a built-in timer with settings from 1 to 8 hours and a remote control for easy adjustments, including temperature, timer, and oscillation. The widespread oscillation ensures even heat distribution across the room. Equipped with essential safety features like overheat protection, a cool touch exterior, and an ETL listing, this heater is safe for extended use. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, or kitchens, it offers reliable comfort backed by a 3-year limited warranty. The Givibist ceramic space heater provides efficient 1500W warmth with 5 modes, including energy-saving eco. It oscillates 80 to heat up to 200 SKU, quietly under 45 dB. With precise temperature control, tip-over and overheat protection, and flame-retardant materials, it ensures safe, comfortable heating. The Gaiatop Cuct 1200W space heater offers energy-efficient heating with 2 settings and quick, uniform heat. Its PTC ceramic technology, tipping, and overheating protection ensure safety while operating quietly under 30 dB. Compact, portable, and available in 3 colors, it's perfect for bedrooms and offices, providing soft warmth without disruption. The Rizian 2-in-1 space heater and fan offers 2 heat settings 1500W and 750W and a cool air option perfect for year-round use. It features a realistic 3D flame effect for a cozy ambience and safety features like tip-over and overheat protection. Lightweight and portable with a carrying strap, it's easy to move between rooms, providing warmth and comfort wherever needed. The Kismol space heater offers 3 modes: high heat, low heat, and fan mode for both heating and cooling. Its adjustable thermostat ensures a comfortable temperature, and the 1500W ceramic heating element provides efficient warmth. Featuring tip-over and overheat protection for added safety, it's perfect for indoor use. Lightweight and compact, the heater is easy to move and suitable for any room, including bedrooms, offices, and living rooms. Operating at under 50 dB, it provides quiet warmth, making it ideal for sleeping, working, or studying without disturbance. In this chart, we're comparing key features, and you'll also see pros and cons for each model along with their prices to help you find the best option.